This model isn't sold in stores. It's a one-of-a-kind tribute. Disney fan Robert Lisinsky shows us his incredible hand-built model of the Disney Wonder. So we're looking at now this amazing model of the Disney Wonder, Disney's second ship. But you said this is the first ship you went on, Robert?
Correct. In 2008 was our first cruise.
2008. So describe to me what the process was of building this.
I actually started with the deck plans in the DC lifeboat shores. That way I can count the number of rooms. I can look at the above view and see the shape of the pool areas very easily. I started actually in CAD, computer-aided drawing. What I did was, there's a cardboard skeleton inside here. So I have like a piece of cardboard here, and so on. And then I built between those pieces. And so it's like a kind of skeleton that I start out with.
That's not dissimilar to how they do it when they're building it in dry dock.
I actually built this when they're building the Dream, so to give you the time frame.
Right.
So 2010.
So about how much would you say this weighs? How much paper is?
I mean, weight maybe a pound.
Maybe a pound.
Yeah, I never get track of that kind of stuff. Unfortunately.
So when you were talking to me a little bit about all the detail you put in. There's how did you make those deck chairs again?
So I made a bunch of them together, like in bulk, and then just cut them into individual pieces. So they're not individually made. I make maybe a dozen at a time, maybe more.
And I don't know if you can tell on this video, but like the paint is actually shining there, just like the paint they use on the ship. So how did you do that?
It's a pearlizing medium, and you just mix it into the color after I mix it myself.
And it gives that little glow there.
But not everywhere. The teak deck, that doesn't require it.
Right. But the black, it's a little bit harder to see on the dark blue there, but
right. And this is not black. This is dark blue.
Yeah.
Very dark blue. This is black.
And there's even the Mickey right there in the ship.
Yeah, and I actually painted the pearlizing directly onto the paper so it shines like water, because this is a pool. So I did the same thing for the adult pool and the family pool there.
Very nice. And you said, how long did this one take you again?
This took about a year.
About a year.
Yeah.
That's still impressive. What's your favorite part about the model?
I don't know. I mean, the bridge took me 3 tries to make. I really like the smokestacks, I think, just because I like smokestacks and the real thing.
Right, yeah, and only one real smokestack.
Right, and that's this one.
Right. And so when you some things you couldn't do with paper. I noticed there's like a little plastic elements in there.
Right, this is plastic. This is actually when they used to sell computer screens, and they'd have a piece of plastic over it, and that's what this is cut from.
Very neat.
So it's actually super glued into place, because Elmer's glue wouldn't hold that. So it's super glued here and then sides and on top, and then put paper on top of that because that's dirty. I think it's actually 2-bladed paper to cover up the super glue stains.
Oh, you can't tell.
Yeah, of course. I painted over it and then I put paper over it.
Very nice. All right, a huge thank you to Robert for showing us his model of the Disney Wonder. It's amazing what you can do with persistence, vision, and the ability to just keep going until you get things right. Robert is a self-taught paper model craft builder, and everything he showed me was absolutely so impressive. So just wanted to highlight the whole model, because we really didn't get a chance to see everything in detail. So much credit for being brave and showing these models with me. And I apologize to him. It's been a couple years since we actually filmed this, but I finally was able to fix some of the audio issues and get this out to all of you. Okay, before we go, a few fun facts about the Disney Wonder. Like its sister ship, the Disney Magic, which was built first, it was ordered in 1995. It is approximately 985.5 feet long, or 300 meters. Can carry 2,400 passengers and has a crew of around 9,500